Alright, so I currently have the open cluster M34 in the constellation Perseus in the eyepiece of my telescope. So let's have a quick look inside of Stellarium to see where exactly that is in the night sky, and then we will get on with the sketch. M34 is a large open cluster in the constellation Perseus, and it sits about 1,500 light years from Earth. This cluster can be found by finding the star Algol, and then moving your telescope 5 degrees to the northwest. Small telescopes will see around 20 stars in this cluster, while larger telescopes can see up to 80 stars in this cluster. If you are in dark enough skies, you might be able to spot it with the unaided eye. Now that we know where we're looking in the sky, let's get on with sketching this object. I started off the sketch by marking the stars around the outside edge and worked my way in. I used a white pastel pencil to place the stars. This sketch was the second one I did on December 15th, and the clouds started moving in about halfway through. I did my best to place as many stars as I could, but I was cut off earlier than I would have liked and wasn't able to spend time scanning the eyepiece looking for the dimmer stars that aren't visible upon first inspection of the cluster. I gave it a little while longer before finally giving up for the night because of the clouds, which did end up clearing a couple hours later, but I was on my way to bed. Alright, let's get the sketch inside and have a look at the final image. While in images this cluster shows blue stars, I was unable to see any blue in the stars, so I did not mark any of them as blue. They just remained white the way I saw them in the telescope. This was a very cold night, so I didn't really get a chance to do the dimming of the stars while I was outside. I ended up having to use the kneaded eraser once I got inside and let it kind of warm up again because it didn't work when it was 14 degrees out. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and clear skies.